Heidi ho, bitches! Woo! How are you today? Well, it's hot as a fucking bastard here today. Jesus. I wanted to do a fried chicken video. It's just too hot and humid. It's gross. So, we're doing chicken thighs outside. Vortex chicken thighs. We're bringing out the old Vortex. Here you go, Kenny. It does get used. I just don't have a lot of videos with it. Well, I got a few. But yeah, we're doing chicken thighs on the kettle with the Vortex. Simple. I gotta wash these off and trim any excess fat and skin. Finishing up the Lane's Q-Nami. I might get one chicken thigh with that. We're going to use some of the Budweiser seasoning, which I did the rotisserie chicken on. And we're going to do some salt and pepper on one or two. We'll see. We're going to bathe them in some olive oil first. And a couple of them will be getting barbecue sauce. We're using the Kettle boys from Alberta. Alberta, Canada. But before we get into that, the charcoal is going. Holy crap, there's a lot of smoke out there. Let's get uncanny with a good carling, shall we? Drink up, buttercup. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright. Let me wash and trim these thighs and dry them off. I'll be back. RTFO, mofos. I got ahead of myself. $7.54 from the No Frills. 1.0009 kilograms. So 2.2 pounds. 6 thighs. Now I'm gonna wash them. Cheers, big ears. Have some beers. Whoa. Cheers, big ears. We get a elbow shot in doing the pepper. Sorry, buddy. That thing's a fucking flipperoo. Done that side first. Who gives a fuck? Okay, outside. Charcoal's ready, man. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Let's get out there. Set up the Vortex. Ah, fuck, that's good. Get a new beer, too. Right on. RTFO, mofos. I'll put more pepper on. Budweiser seasoning. Fuck a cock eater. Lane's Q-Nami, salt and pepper. Bitchy! Fuck, that's hot. That thing's fucking hot, Kenny. I'm telling you, man. This thing's like a volcano. Alright, bitches. Hopefully this is done in half an hour. Should be half an hour. This thing's so fucking hot. we'll cover it up and we'll fucking keep on rocking in the free world, eh? RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. It's only been 10 minutes. We're fucking ready to flip. These things are just rocking. But we're also ready for another fucking beer, aren't we? Cheers, big ears. Fuck, that's good. Yo! Look out! That's fucking nice. Fuck yeah. Look out, eh? Fucker. Jesus. Fuck, that's hot. Vortex. It'll get you. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. I'm gonna shut the lid probably for about 5 more minutes, then I'm gonna leave the lid off. I'll flip them back, and I'm gonna zap these 3 guys with Kettle Boys from Alberta, Canada. Good fucking sauce. Expensive as fuck though. You buy Kraft for $1 when it's on sale. This shit's $8, but it's good. RTFO, mofos. Where's my beer? Drink up, fucknuts. We'll GTFI the next time. Alright, bitches. It's been about 7 minutes. I'll leave the lid open now. Drink up, buttercup. We still got a ways to go. They're looking fucking beauty. I'll tell you that right fucking now. I'll give you one of these when they're done. So you can take it home. My friend that drinks Budweiser is here. Only he's not drinking it today. He's drinking spirits. Not ready for barbecue sauce yet. Cheers, baby. These things, they look really fucking great. So I'm gonna zap these with the Kettle Boys. That's hot. Don't reach across the vortex. Okay. Kettle Boys. Salt and pepper. Only on one side though. I'm not gonna do the bottom. Fuck, that's hot. Come on, bitch. Get out of there. There you go. Fuck me, that's fucking hot, man. Jesus fuck. How hot is it? It's solar hot. There you go. And on the Q-Nami too. Fucking right. The last of the Q-Nami. I gotta get more of that. Don't worry, bastard rub's coming out. It's made. Kettle Boys. Alberta, Canada. Lower your price, Kettle Boys. Well, of course, it's at the Sobeys. It's the rich store. Not the welfare store like the fucking No Frills, where these fucking chicken thighs come from. Alright, bitches. Leaving the lid off. Just gonna let that tack up for 2 minutes. And we're going in the house. Take these ones off. Always on the rack. Here you go, bitches. There you go, bitch nuts. Okay, we got a bit of a summer salad going on. Because it's summer. And it's fucking humid and hot as fuck today. So we got in here cherry tomatoes, cucumber, dill, ground up and down cheese, lettuce, and radish. And we're gonna put some sour cream. No name sour cream in there, and salt and pepper. Give this a mix-a-roo. And ba-bam. A little more. Good enough. We'll give that a mix-a-roo. And then we'll be back. Oh, and I got a new beer too. That's good enough. Give me more of that. Nice and refreshing on a hot day. Salad. There you go. Good enough. Back in the fridge, bitch nuts. Good enough. Alright, let's open a beer. Cheers, beers. Fuck yeah. Salad. Tasty. Let's try out this salty Budweiser chicken thigh. Looks like that. And there still is juice. It's fucking tender. Not fucking good. Oh yeah. Fucking right. Salty, but good. Fuck yeah. There you go, bitches. Fuck yeah. Awesome. Let's eat with my right hand. Correct hand as opposed to right. Oh, that's fucking great. Look at that, eh? Very nice. That fucking Vortex is great. Let's try this one with the Kettle boys. Salt and pepper only. There you go. It is done. It is juicy. Nice. That's fucking great. Hey, stay there. Skinny. Get on there, bitch nuts. There you go. Fuck yeah. I still have another video to shoot. I'm doing a pizza video tonight. Salad. That's fucking good. Refreshing. On a hot and humid day like today. Fuck yeah. There you go, bitches. Get a Vortex. Make some Vortex thighs with the seasoning of your choice. You won't be disappointed. The Vortex rocks. That one's HMB approved and GB approved. No blood. Right down the bone. There you go, bitch tarts. Yeah, eh? That's fucking awesome. Oh wait. I'm eating. I'm supposed to just do a taste test. Stupidest thing on YouTube, taste test. Well, one of the stupidest things. There are a lot of fucking retards out there. Fuck yeah. Okay, bitches. That's all I got for you. More salad. I got that. No tea tonight. Just opened that beer. I have a tea. I have many. Different ones. Fuck yeah. That's fucking great. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Make this stuff. Drink beer. Get wrecked. Go grill something up. RTFO, mofos. Oh, that's fucking great, eh? Arrivederci Roma. Take it easy. Piano, piano. Whoa.